They cleaning the June fish. This is another episode of Crazy Birds of the Caribbean. They just threw the gut them in the water, and you maybe saw one of the other video of them that I had there about the crazy birds. Them, it was kind of far away. We're gonna try to get up close this time. Ah! They're going after this guts from the June fish that these men just killing up here. The pelicans are coming in. The man o' war them coming in. Oof. The seagull coming in. Oh, yeah. Woo. Mind they shit on me, huh? Wow, that one just got over the bow, man. They're getting crazy for the thing. This is a crazy bird party, another episode of Crazy Animals of the Caribbean. Today the man o' war just getting all the action. Up. The pelican just sitting in the back there chilling. The seagull, I don't think the seagull them got too much numbers today. Alright, I see a couple pelican creeping in. Let's see what them gonna do. They're shy. Oof. Barn. These pelicans, they're just chilling behind me. I'm feeling kind of nervous because they're right here behind me. There's a buzzard in the mix. He's just chilling in the back. Ooh, he got a piece of it just now. We did not do this on purpose. This is just things that happen sometimes. You might think we set this up to put that little guts there to get this video. No, sir. Like I said, they were just there killing that. Yeah, man. Big up. Big up. Yeah. We're taping the bird party right now, you know, because these birds having a little party over this guts thing, man. Wow. Up close and personal, man, with the animals. We live right beside nature here, man. Wow, look at him, man. Oh, the pelican in the back there just chilling. This is bird party number 2. Maybe you saw bird party number 1 on the channel. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. You get some more crazy animals of the Caribbean. Let me get out of this man's way because he's coming in his panga now. All right, till next time, y'all. Gracias, amigo.